Dear students, how are you? I am Nur Mohammad Shahidullah. Welcome to my online class. Today, I shall take a class for the students of class 8. Our topic is change of direction. Dear students, we know that two types of direction. One is direct direction and another is indirect direction. Dear learners, now we try to change narration from direct to indirect. At first, we shall study some exercise. Change of narration. We shall take some example from the assertive sentences. Dear learners, I know that we recognize direct narration, writing, and indirect IN. Dear students, today we study for the example of assertive sentences. We know that narration has two parts. One is repeating verb and another is repeated speech. Now write an example of assertive sentence. He said, I am playing football. Dear learners, we found that we use some punctuation, comma and inverted comma. The part partition by comma is called passive narration, means repeating verb repeating verb said, and another part, I am playing football. This part is I write with inverted comma. Here is said is repeating verb and I am playing repeated speech. Now we solve this problem. We know that if we want to change the example of assertive sentence, direct to indirect, we can write told, state of, said. If it has another object, if there is no object, we can write said. He said. And then write we connect repeating verb and repeating speech by using that. Now we can do the repeating speech as first we found person I is first person. We know that first person is changed according to the subject of repeating verb. It means repeating verb is subject is he, means third person. So we convert first person into third person, that is he. It stands according to the subject of repeating verb. He, I am playing. He. It is example of present continuous tense. If repeating verb is past tense, it is tense corresponding of tense means present continuous tense converted to past continuous tense. So write he was playing football. Now we study another example. The man said to me, "You are wrong." Dear learners, here repeating verb is the man said to me, and repeated speech you are wrong. You are wrong is an example of assertive sentence. So we change this sentence according to the rule of assertive sentence. At first we say we write the man told me. Here we change said into told because the repeated verb has a object, so we change said into told, and we connect these two parts of repeated verb and repeated speech with that. Now we change the person you is second person. We know that second person converting to according to the object of the repeated verb. Here say repeated verb is object is me first person, so we change you to first person and means I. Here say this past tense, we convert this past tense. I was wrong. The man told me that I was wrong. Dear learners, here we change the person in different way. When we found the first person in a repeated speech, we change it according to the subject of repeating verb. If in repeated speech second person, we change it according to the object of the repeating verb. And we study another example with the person of third person in the repeated speech. Now write the man said he was catching fish. The students we have to take in this example, we found that in a repeated speech, subject is he means third person. Now we change the sentences as the man said. We write the man said because it has no object. And in the repeated speech, we found the subject he, it is third person. Third person is unchangeable, so we connect it that and we cannot change it. means he. There are here he was catching fish. It is an example of past continuous tense. So you know that past continuous tense converted to the past perfect continuous tense. So we write he had been catching fish. Dear students, we studied at this 3 example. We found that here at first we can change first person of the speech according to the subject of the verb, and my second example was the second person in the reported speech, and we change it according to the object of a reporting verb, and finally when we found the third person in the reported speech, we will not change it because third person is unchangeable. So we solve this problem, and here we found that some rules of corresponding of tense. So we know that if the repeating verb of the sentence is past tense means said, we can change according to the corresponding options. We know that corresponding options mean if the example is present indefinite, turning to past indefinite, present continuous, past continuous, present perfect, past perfect, present perfect continuous, past perfect continuous, and the sentence is past perfect, past indefinite tense, it turned into the past perfect, and the reported speech is past continuous tense, it converted into past perfect continuous tense. Dear learners, I shall hope you will study more in your house. Thank you everyone.